Well, in cricketing parlance, the ball is swinging around in today's trading session. A few minutes ago, we were up 120 points odd. Then we were down around 60 points. And now, as we speak, we're at the flat line. Let's go across to Nimesh. He'll make some sense of this move. Nimesh, what are you picking up? Fair bit of volatility in today's session.
Expected because of the expiry week as well.
Yeah.
And again, we're heading into a big event next Monday, right? So there would be some sort of volatility for sure. But the fact is that there is buying interest back. The shorts have got covered by the FIs. There is, institutional money is also putting to work. Select, PSUs continue to be well bid. But the sector of the day today clearly to me is consumption. And looks like that's going to come back in a big way. We've seen a lot of rally in the capital goods space and the PSU names. Now it looks like there's a bit of churn and bit of interest back in the consumption stock. So that's a space to watch as far as flows are concerned in the days to come. I guess technically too, some bit of nervousness would be there around the 23,000 marks. Some bit of profit booking is clearly visible in today's market. But I guess, as I said, the MSCI flow would be very important to track in the next 3 days to a year from on, and the F1 expiry as well. So a bit of volatility is expected for the next couple of days. But the sense I'm getting is that at least the flows are back into the consumption names, and some bit of buying interest in the PSUs continue. All
right, Nimesh, that's about how do you seeing trade pan out today. But as always, you've got an interesting list on the stocks in focus. Run us through that list.
So the first stock on my list today is JBM Auto. Big move in that stock and large volumes as well. The stock is at almost 52-week high. This month, this year, Y2D, the stock is up almost 48% and has been a big outperformer. Now there is an anticipation that maybe a big corporate development is around the corner in JBM Auto, so something to track there. The second name is Inox Wind. It's been consolidating in a narrow range of late. But here, I understand there's going to be a large block deal very soon. Potentially, the promoter entity could be the seller in Inox Wind to just repay the debt further. So that's the buzz there in Inox Wind. The third name is Finolex Cables. For second day running, big move in that stock as well. Again, on large volumes, the stock is up another 10% in today's market. I understand a couple of family offices and a leading AIF is an active buyer for the last couple of days. That's the reason why big move and on large volumes as well. And the last one is Zomato. A sharp uptick in Zomato as well in intraday from the today's low. The feedback is maybe the selling pressure from a leading FI fund is largely over. Nearly 3 crore shares got marked for delivery in the last couple of days, and looks like the selling is largely over in that particular name, and it's an uptick in that in Zomato as well in today's market.
Okay, all right, got that. Thanks very much, Nimesh. Interesting names there on the list as usual. Finolex especially, had a good move towards the end of last week as well. And more buzz that Nimesh is picking up. Well, with that, let's get back to